Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is box challenge day. It's exciting. So instead of our normal Monster Town or at the mall, we are going to do two different box challenges from some collabs, and all free on Ko-fi. So I will link everybody down below. So first one we are going to do is the Fall into Savings box challenge with CBA Mom saves and Savvy Girl saves. So for this one, they have they have prop money that comes with it, prop coins. So we're gonna use those. And you can do however much you want to put in each week, and then you exchange for your prop coins, which I did not do before the before I started recording this video, so I do apologize. I am going to start with we're going to do $10 this week. So we're just going to put that one in there, and we'll kind of put this off to the side for right now. Hopefully I don't make a mess all over my table. So I do apologize. I am going to get $10 worth of prop coins, and I will be right back. Okay, so I got our $10 out in prop coins. So we're going to go ahead and just get started and see how far we can get with this one. All right, so we got to search and save for, I think it's that tree. Okay, I must have missed it. Am I missing a page? Oh, here we go. There's that one. Oh, okay. There we go. I found them. I was thinking that these colors matched on that, but they do not. The outlines. All right, we have a ghosty and corn. No, not that ghosty. Okay, we have 50 cents for the ghost. And then, oh, the corns are on this page. Oh, man. Let's go ahead. Oh, and the corn is 25 cents. Let's go ahead and mark that off. This one is perfect for lower budgets, so it's perfect. All right, so we are at $1 and then add 25 cents. Ooh, big spender, big spender. So we're gonna add $1.25. So I might go ahead and we'll swap out that dollar. So we're at $2 so far out of 10. We'll see how far we can get with $10. Okay, and then potatoes. 50 cents. Plus that is 75 cents. Okay, that's 50 and 75. We'll try to get ourselves a little bit neater here. Ooh, add $1 for our pumpkins. Oh, did I miss it? Oh, here we go. So we got $1 and 25 cents. And oh, add another $1. I love these trucks. They're so cute. All right, so $1.50. And I guess you could, if you wanted to make it last longer, you could just not take these extra ones out of play. So maybe I won't repeat the card and draw, or replace the card and draw again. I'm not sure what that means. Replace what card? Okay. I'm not sure what that means. I guess that, I'm not sure. So candy. Okay, so add 25 cents. That would be $1. I think next time I'll keep these ones in so we can save a little extra. All right, search and save. Let me keep these a little. Let's go ahead and exchange our 50 cents for our last $1. And then search and save. Here are, I'm going to do 50 cents for the mushrooms. And then we got to find, looks like rolls. Oh, there we go. 75 cents. Perfect. Oh, no, those ones are already paid. All right, 75 cents. What is this? I'm not sure what that is. I'll figure that out, I guess, when I edit. All right, so we got a candle, and we're gonna add 25 cents. Ooh, that's $1.25. So I'm gonna put that. I'm gonna put, excuse me, I'm gonna put this one back in play so we can save a little extra. Add 50 cents to owls. That's $1, $1.50. Okay, so we have $1.50. I'm gonna add her back into play. We'll go at least one more time. And then let's see, we have 50 cents left. So let's see what we can do out of one of these two. We got Happy Halloween is 75 cents. And the table is $1. Okay, so we are gonna have a 25-cent IOU. I guess, okay. And then that one will have to go back in. Okay, so we'll go with 25 cents for next time. So that way next time we'll just take the 25 cents out of what we're gonna play with next week. So I'll put that in. So that's pretty fun. I like that. I'll put that in with the I'll put this one in with the money. These are all of our finished ones. Oh, these are supposed to go in. See, I'm losing it just a little bit. Okay. Yep. Okay. I'm figuring my life out here, guys. Sorry. I apologize. Okay, we'll bring this back over. And we will put our challenges back in here. So total, if you just saved what's on the cards, you will save $40 to $45, somewhere around there. So we should be able to finish that one relatively quickly. Okay, and so this next one is the Cozy Box Challenge from all of these creators. And then I have, we have a catch-all here. So we're gonna go ahead and play with $50. We have 20, 40, and 50. Okay, so we're gonna have to keep a running tally on our calculator. Where's our calculator? There it is. I just didn't want to have to break up all the ones, put it in a thing, you know what I mean? It's just, all right, we'll go ahead and give it a shuffle. I know we do have a shut the box, so we're going to play one round of shut the box. Get these all mixed up together. And shut the box didn't have any cards with it for in the stack, so each time we come into play, we will shut the box until we are done. Okay, so it's just a mini. Okay, we got a 3, and then we'll just see how it goes. I'll probably play, we'll save whatever is left. 4. Okay. 4. Okay, that's perfect. Not, so we have 11, 12. All right, so minus 12 there. And that one is good for now. Okay, so we have cozy sweaters. Oh, there it is. I had it covered. And that is $2. Perfect. Okay. And I feel like those are the same, so let's... All right, and we have a roll and match from Vicky Thinks. This one is from Charma Budgets. And everybody will be linked down below. Okay, so we got the sweater. It is 1 times, and so we'll roll a d6. 1, no. 1, come on. 1 times 5 is 5. So minus 5. I want to save all of the money. All of the money. All right. Angela, this one is Angela Marie 888. So we have $2 for our little blankies. And another Vicky Thinks. Okay. So we have an optional of a -1, but let's roll our d6. And then 4 plus 2 is 6. We're not going to minus the 1 because I want to save all the money. All right, we still have $23 left to go. Just going to mix that up a little bit. Okay, we have a birthday. Not that one. Here we go. $3. Ooh, and we have some bonuses. That's -3. Oh, I probably shouldn't have done that. Okay, well, I'm going to keep that going. I should have done it the other way around. Okay, and next one from Angela Marie 888 again. We have $3. And that one is done. And we have a candle. Let's see, where are you? I think this is pretty cool that they have a bunch of different creators make their own little piece of the box challenge. And it did take me quite a while to track all of these down, but well worth it. Well worth it. And then definitely make sure you go and subscribe to all of their channels as well. So we have $4 here. We're gonna mix it up again. No, we just did that one. All right, pumpkin roll and save. Let's see. Okay, so as times 2. Let's go. We only have $10, so let's go with a D3 because I don't want an IOU. So 1 minus 1 times 2 is 2, and you can't really see that. I'm not sure if there's how many there are of those, so we'll just put that back in there till we're done. No. All right, Angel Marie 888. We're gonna finish her card before anybody else is. And $2. All right, we got $6 left. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's. And the sweater is 2. All right, should we chance it? We have $4. Oh, no. I probably shouldn't have chanced it. Well, I probably will pull money from somewhere because I'm not getting an IOU. So we have a candle is +3. Oh, 1 plus 3 is 4. That was pure luck. Pure luck. All right, so that will be it for box challenge day. We will be back next week. We're going to do the same box challenges until we are done. And thank you for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.